Today we're going to be dissecting an eye. Here, this is the muscle and fatty tissue, right? And actually, the sheep's eye compares to muscle and fatty tissue compares to humans. Sheep actually has 4 muscles that help move their eye around, and humans have 6. We're going to be cutting the muscle and fatty tissue off. And once you have cut that muscle and fatty tissue off, you can put that muscle and fatty tissue on your part sheet. Fatty tissue right on your part sheet, just like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cut open this white spot, or this white thing surrounding the eye, which is sclera. And doing that, we're going to use our scissors. It's going to take a couple of cuts to get through that tough, thick, here, this is, cut off this fat right here. Cutting through that sclera, right here. Now what you're going to see when I get through this, is you're going to see liquid flow out of the eye. And that is going to be the aqueous humor, which nourishes the pupil, or the cornea. It's going to take a couple of cuts. And when that water, or that black water, pours out, you are going to cut that off. And when that comes off, you're gonna, and then here, then you're gonna, this is the vitreous humor. It maintains shape it maintains that circular shape in the eye. And right here is the cornea, which allows light through the eye. And we're gonna pour this out using our, here, let's go for the iris first here. So here's the lens, which is clear. You're gonna push the eye in, and out goes that lens, just like that. It's tough because these eyes aren't fresh, and you're gonna place this right on your part sheet. So, there, right here, that's the vitreous humor. And this little black juice, and then use your tweezers, take out that vitreous humor. Here, you go here, you take out this iris, you go through that, see how it's rectangular? The pupil, compared to humans, human's pupil is actually circular, but this one is more in a rectangular shape, see? Then you're gonna go under that, through that pupil, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist, you're gonna go through it, and then you're gonna,
don't drop it.
You're gonna twist. You're gonna try to take out that iris there. And the iris actually constricts and dilates that pupil. So this is the iris. You can see around here, this brown part, that's where the muscles are located. And just place that right on your spreadsheet. And now right here, you see that's the aqueous humor that nourishes the eye. You're just gonna take your finger, you're gonna find it on your spreadsheet, and you're gonna dap it on that aqueous humor. And now, see around here, that's the cornea, and then right here, around here is the sclera. Possible. Now, the sclera and cornea, you can put it. This is kind of both because it's hard to get this sclera out of around that pupil or around the cornea. My bad. So just place it wherever you want, sclera or cornea. Put it in cornea, and it's pretty much counts as both, right? So now we're gonna go to this vitreous humor. This is the jelly-like substance, and just try to take it out carefully without damaging the retina, which we'll get to after we take this out. Alright, so now you can see that this right here is the retina. It actually contains photoreceptors, which is the retina, and has photoreceptors and nerves in it. Helps them see. So, yeah. And now we have down here is the vitreous humor. Just try to grab that up with your tweezers. And then you're gonna place that on your sheet. Okay, now going to down here. You can see down here, this is the tapetum lucidum, or the tapetum lucidum, and right here is the retina. It's the neural layer of the eye. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna use your tweezers, grab it or pinch it, and you're gonna pull. And you're gonna place that on your spreadsheet. And now you can see where I took away that's where the optic nerve is, which contains blood vessels and axons, and this is where the axons exit, and that's your optic nerve. So now, my bad. This tapetum lucidum contains actually reflects light and is useful in night vision. Useful for night vision. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our little needle here. And we're gonna scoop around that layer, and we're gonna try to peel it out from there. And once that has been finished, you are gonna place it on your spreadsheet. Now you can place the tapetum lucidum right on your spreadsheet. Oh yeah, and by the way, the vitreous humor is that jelly-like substance, and it actually covers up the retina, and that is where it's located. You saw there. So the layers, it goes tapetum lucidum, then it goes the retina, which covers it, and then it's the vitreous humor that covers it, and then iris, and then aqueous humor, and then that cornea. That's how it stacks up. And actually, you can get your tweezers and locate it on the back of the eye. So I'm gonna get rid of this muscle and fat real quick. You can see back here, after I cut this out, that that back here, the optic nerve is located on the back of the eye. So where the optic nerve is in the sheep eye is actually connected to that optic nerve that's covering it. So on the back of the eye, there's going to be the optic nerve, where that optic nerve is located. And that is this thing right here. No, it's actually right here. Right here. This is that optic nerve. It's a little tough, but that's where it exits. So what you're going to do, you're going to try to snip that part off, and you're going to place it on your spreadsheet. Ooh, that is tough. If you can't cut through it, that's okay. that optic nerve, you can just try to cut around it and make sure it's visible. And that will be your optic nerve for you. Alright, so there is your optic nerve right here where my tweezers are pinching. If you can't get it, cut it. Just place it on your spreadsheet front down, and that'll be your parts. So what you see here, this is the muscle and fatty tissue that helps the sheep's eye move. The iris constricts and dilates that pupil, and it has a rectangular slit in the middle. Here is the cornea, allows light through. Right here is the sclera, which I couldn't cut open. And then we have the lens here, which is clear, and when it's a fresh eye, that aqueous humor has nourished that, so it's a little bit squishy and very delicate. Right here is this vitreous humor, which maintains that shape, that circular shape in the eye. There's the tapetum lucidum. It has that shiny layer right here where you can see, which reflects light and it gives the animals night vision. And right here is where axons exit, which is that optic nerve right here. And this is the aqueous humor right here, that little splash of water. It nourishes and kind of like fertilizes that lens right there. And well, never mind, actually. We're not done yet. Right here, this is the retina. It actually contains photoreceptors and is sensitive to light. And that's how it functions. Alright, that will be all for today.